Well, hello again. Front yard, side yard, backyard, and container gardeners. Ooh, and lovers of good food. If you are popping in for the first time, welcome to Miss Forbes channel. A few colleagues are helping me out in this video. It is part 1 of a 4-part series on the humble Kalbas Dou. More specifically, the dishes that we prepare using Kalbas Dou. If you know of a recipe, don't be shy. Please share it with me. The rest of you, join me as I share what I know. Enjoy.
Alright, so I see this very interesting thing right here. I've never seen this before. What is it? What is it?
I would like to eat it.
Have you seen this before? What is it?
It's a Kalbas Dou.
You know, it's like the thing that they used to wash plates back in the day. The
Same
small
family.
one.
Same family, yes. Loafer. It's
Right,
loafer. They call it
loafer, yes.
loafer, right?
So what do you use this to do? What are your plans
Well,
for this?
Shirley just said she wants to eat it. So definitely we're going to eat it.
Right.
And then you prepare it just like you prepare cucumber.
Okay. So
Or even Christophine.
okay, so we can do a steam with it. We can do raw, a salad.
Yes, yes.
Or we can steam.
Yes.
So what are you planning to do with it? What dish are you going to do with it?
I usually do 3 dishes with it. So this one I'm going to make a raw salad with it. So you grate it. You know what? I'll take you into my kitchen and I'll show you.
Nice.
Yes, yes. So you want to come to my kitchen and I'll show you?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, I.
Okay. It's O'Brien's kitchen.
Yes. No, it's not Miss O'Brien's kitchen. It's Miss Bob's kitchen.
Miss Bob's kitchen.
Yeah, that's what
Well,
it
we
is.
can't wait to get to Miss Bob's kitchen to see and taste this. What is the name again?
Kalbas Dou.
Kalbas Dou.
In English, it's sweet God. Right, sweet God. Yes, sweet God. Kalbas is God. Yes, yes.
G-O-U-R-D.
G-O-U-R-D. But in Dominica, we don't call it God. We call it Kalbas.
Yes. Very nice.
Finally,
Hey.
I get it. Finally, I got it. I'm not sure what it is. If it's a fruit, it's a vegetable.
We can
I can't
say
remember the name. It's Bob.
Yes.
Okay, that's good
yes.
enough for me.
Yes.
I can't remember the name, but finally,
It's there.
it's there.
Kalbas Dou.
Kalbas Dou. But I call it a baseball bat. That is just half of the baseball bat.
Yes. Whole section
A
missing.
whole section missing. I have no idea how to cook it, as I told you before. Zero idea. I don't know if it's a fruit, as I told you, or a vegetable, but I'm willing to try, I'm willing to learn. So that's why I would love a recipe from you,
Definitely.
so I can try it at home. And you gave me a little piece earlier in the week, so I would love to try what I have by me at home.
I brought this one for somebody and I was hoping that I would be able to show you all at school. But you know how it runs at school, how we can get so busy. So you know what? I'm going to go back home. I'm going to do the recipe. I'm going to invite you and everybody out there come into Miss Bob's kitchen and learn how to do different dishes with Kalbas Dou.
Looks really interesting. Can we make juice with it also?
I never tried the juice though.
'Cause it looks
But
like you
there's
can
an
make some
idea.
juice.
There's an idea. I've never tried the juice.
There we go.
This man is as
adventurous.
Yes,
That's
he's
it. That's the word.
adventurous,
That's
as
the word.
adventurous as I am. So
That's the word.
we're going to try this item.
We're gonna try. Yeah, man, I make your camera look good.
Yes, you do.
So you bring another Kalbas Dou?
Wait.
A Kalbas Dou.
No.
Okay, you bring another Kalbas Dou.
Finally,
But I like to call
Kalbas
it.
Dou.
I like to call it. Okay. So the last time you bring one, it was long, so we.
Ooh.
So what happened to that one?
Well, I had to cut it. So I cut it so I could transport it easily. So that's what happened today.
Can I tell you? It looking like a baby, a baby Kalbas Dou.
Finally.
Is a baby Kalbas Dou now?
No, that's not a baby. This is like on the middle age spectrum. Sorry, this is like on the middle age spectrum. The baby ones are very tender. The skin, you know, the skin.
Yes,
the
yes,
skin
yes.
is softer.
Right.
You put your nail, you can go in so easily, and that is the best side to
Oh.
eat. This one, if you look at it,
Yes.
the skin. Well, my nails can still go through it,
Okay,
but
okay.
it's tough. It has a tough outer. The skin,
Right.
they can be pretty small. What is wrong with this teacher? Interrupt.
No, No, you're talking about top. No, outside top. Inside, so how come inside looking like it's up so?
Well, because I cut it, I brought it the other day and didn't use it. What I found about it, which is so strange, is that the thing made a protective
Yes, it was a little
a protective layer.
You call it a film or
Yes,
something.
like it healed itself.
It's looking like as though it has
Oh,
plaster
a plaster, like it healed itself. And well, I know what is happening is as it is staying, the inside is getting like mature. So it will be so nice. Like the other day, there you couldn't find the seeds there. So you know what I'm thinking? If it can do that and protect itself, what will it do to
The
that?
skin expert is gonna try something.
Definitely, I'm going to put that in a scrub or mask or something like that.
The Kalbas Dou is a whole thing by itself.
Yeah.
We tell them the salad column.
Yes, it was good. Well, you know what we can do? We can always make a frittata. But you have to show me what is it? You know what? I'll go online and I'll look up what a
A
frittata
fancy
is.
omelette.
Just another name for an omelette. So I have made it already here. I've made an omelette with my Kalbas Dou.
An omelette is a shaping.
I've already made that with Kalbas Dou and a jiffing in it. And teachers are asking for the recipe. So what I'm doing is putting together a recipe for them. So you can check me out in Miss Bob Kitchen.
Miss Bob Kitchen.
What is wrong with this child? You can join me in Miss Bob's Kitchen and check out the ingredients and check out how I go about making it for patties. I'm still working on it. What is wrong with this child? We're very photobomb.
Kalbas. I like to say Kalbas.
No. Kalbas Dou. Sweet Gourd.
So when it's ripe, is it sweet?
No, it's not sweet. Not because
Kalbas Dou is sweet.
I understand why. Not because the name is Dou, sweet. It's going to be sweet when it's ripe. It's actually very mature. Remember, this one is like a middle-aged one. You have those you have the teenagers, you have the babies. It's better to take it right when it's a teenager and eat it because now the skin is soft and the flesh is firm but soft. It's not sweet. It doesn't get sweet. It is called sweet gourd because usually the gourd family tends to be bitter, but this one isn't. And because it isn't a bitter one, this one is the sweet gourd, but it's rather bland. Think of cucumbers, and then you season up your cucumbers and add all your flavor into it. That is the same thing. Not because don't think of melons, never.
Okay.
Nothing to do with
Thank you
melons.
so much, Miss Bob. I have been thoroughly educated on the Kalbas.
On the Kalbas Dou. And you want someone to put in your garden so you can try it out. You lady. So join me in Miss Bob Kitchen as I continue. I show you how we can make Kalbas Dou. And you had said something the last time.
Eat what you grow what you eat, grow what you eat, grow what you
Grow and grow.
That's it.
Grow
That's it.
Local. Bye for now.
Everyone.
So maybe you can say my catchphrase with me. My catchphrase is, I'm Miss Bob.
I'm Miss Bob.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
The garden is my classroom.
The garden is my classroom.
Nature is my teacher.
Nature is my teacher.
The earth is my school.
The earth is my school.
Ooh, bye for now.
Woo, bye for now, y'all.
Bye. What you want to do?